Platypus, muscle nut, ding dong, rhubarb, spark plug and studs. Anybody doing a wrong thing, better watch out, these caps is rough. Yeah, anytime there's a rumble out west, who do you call? You call the best, cause everyone knows it's simple as that. The best in the west is the Houndcats. Yeah, anytime there's a rumble out west, who do you call? You call the best, cause everyone knows it's simple as that. The best in the west is the Houndcats.
Good boy, Gigantus. Bring it over here, Gigantus. Now set it down here carefully. Nice work, Gigantus. Now we are ready to give the greatest performance of our careers, and one that will make me richer than my fondest dreams.
Get our next assignment.
Yeah, all this leisure time is making me lazy.
Don't get excited, fellas. You know the chief. His message could come at any time.
Look, a carrier pigeon. It's carrying something.
That's not a carrier pigeon. That's a buzzard.
A buzzard? Shoot! Go away! What's the matter, you guys? Don't give him any wrong ideas. Look out! We're being buzzed by a buzzard.
Well, what do you know? A ventriloquist dummy.
Well, let's hear what he has to say.
Good afternoon, Houndcats. This is your chief speaking. R.J. Rathmore, master criminal, using a circus as his latest cover, has boasted that he's going to hijack a shipment of gold bullion being transported from Goldtown, Colorado, to the mint in San Francisco. Your assignment is to see that the gold shipment safely arrives in San Francisco and R.J. Rathmore's criminal career comes to an abrupt end. That is all. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
No! That's our cue to skidoo!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Self-destruct!
Get out of here! Hey, wait for me! Well, you guys, we've got our assignment. Now here's our plan. Step 1, we get jobs in R.J. Rathmore's circus. Step 2, we do a little sleuthing and find out how, when, and where R.J. plans on hijacking the gold. Step 3...
I know. We deliver the gold to San Francisco, untarnished by criminal hands, right?
Look, Rhubarb, you do the inventing and I'll do the planning, okay? Now, on to the circus.
Oh, boy. I always did want to work in a circus.
Yeah, me too, in the hot dog stand.
So, you want a job in my circus, eh? Sorry, but I've got all the peanut salesmen I need.
Peanut salesman?
Sir, I'll have you know that we have appeared before the crown heads of Europe.
Yeah, and lots of kings and queens, too.
All right, show me your act, but make it short. I've got more important things to do.
Did you rig the car, Rhubarb?
Did I rig the car? How do you think I got these oil pan hands?
spark plug?
That's the strangest clown act I ever saw.
Yes, we better keep an eye on them. All right, you're hired, but not as a clown act.
Ah, you want us as a team of tumblers?
No, a flying trapeze act.
Flying trapeze act? That's dangerous. And
we do a fantastic trapeze act. Oh, we'll fake it. Take it.
Well, I guess we put one over on old R.J.
Yeah, he thinks we're all a bunch of dummies.
All right, you guys, come on, knock it off. And Muscle Mutt, get rid of that turkey a la mode special. It's time to start step 2. We split up and search the circus for clues to how, when, and where R.J. plans on hijacking the gold shipment.
I'll use my camouflage periscope to do a little secret observation. I call it my sneaky peeper. And with my circus ball disguise, I can roll around the circus unnoticed.
Okay, gang, let's split and keep our ears and eyes open.
Go away. Can't you see I'm busy? Stop that, you long-necked Romeo.
Hey, give me back my sneaky peeper.
That's the last time I stick my neck out around a lovesick giraffe. Oh, there's a likely-looking place for clues. What's going on? Yeah! Stop the ball! Okay, now!
Sounds like something mighty strange going on in there. Oh, pardon me. I thought this was a a mess stand, where you eat.
Get a hold of that tent, Ding. It looks mighty suspicious to me.
Yeah, but how are we going to check it out with all that muscle guarding it?
Now, since when has a hound cat let a little muscle stand in his way?
Well, there was that time in Phoenix when those 23 burly cowboys...
Never mind. I remember. All right, let's call the rest of the Houndcats. Now, our problem is how do we get past the guards into that big tent?
Easy, Stutz. We tunnel in.
Tunnel in, huh? With what? The end of your nose?
No, with my latest invention. The Router Tunnel Digger.
Well, if that doesn't work, nothing will.
Yeah? So let's get rolling.
Okay, how do you work this contraption, Rhubarb?
Simple. Just aim it towards the tent, point it down, and turn it on.
Okay, Ding, close your eyes and hang on.
And away we go!
According to my calculations, we ought to be under that big tent right now.
Good. Let's go up and have a look around.
Wrong tent.
That one. Thanks, I win.
Now we're on the right track. The big tent should be right above us.
I hope you're right.
Nice kitty. Oh, don't mind us. No, go right back to sleep like a nice kitty. Uh-oh.
Rock-a-bye kitty on the treetop. She doesn't like my singing.
Who does?
Give me back my cap, you cantankerous, cap-snatching catnapper!
Well, if we don't come up inside the big tent this time, Ding Dog, I'm gonna let you drive.
Gee, Stutz, I didn't know that things were that desperate. Hey, Stutz, we made it. We're in the big tent.
Wow. Take a look at that.
I'm looking, but I'm not believing.
Now I will show you how easy it is going to be to hijack that gold coach. All right, Gigantus, pick up the coach. Now set it down. Easy, boy.
Great, RJ. But how are you going to keep that gorilla under control?
Don't worry, he'll do anything I say, and will only obey the sound of my voice. Now let's go to my tent and we'll go over the plans one more time.
Well, we know how he's gonna do it.
Yeah. Now to find out when and where. What do you call that, Rhubarb?
It's my super-sensitive snooper device.
Super sensitive, huh? Just how sensitive is it?
Just put that stethoscope to your ears and I'll demonstrate.
Okay. I'm ready, but I don't hear anything.
You will.
That's sensitive, all right. Now we gotta get that thing over to RJ's tent fast and unnoticed.
And what a better way than with my two-man's camel disguise. I hope you know where you're going, Rhubarb. I can't see anything. Well, you're not on the end that does the looking, so don't worry.
Hey, what's that camel doing out of its cage?
We're just cleaning up.
Oh. Cleaning up? Talking camels cleaning up? I need more sleep.
The shipment of bullion leaves Gold Town 10 a.m. tomorrow and will reach Tower Rock Gap 11 o'clock tomorrow night, where it will stop for water. Larkin, you will unhook the coach with the guards in it. That'll get rid of them. Then, Jesse, you unhook the gold coach from the engine when the train pulls away. And then Gigantus and I will do the rest.
Tower Rock Gap, huh?
How are we gonna stop him, Stutz? There's nothing but wide open spaces out there.
Yeah.
By putting steps 3, 4, and 5 into operation. Step 3. Rhubarb and Muscle Mutt build the papier-mâché tunnel with the turntable in it on the tracks, and we switch the real gold coach with a phony. Step 4. The rest of us put the radio set on Gigantus. Step 5. Puttypuss disguises his voice to sound like RJ's and gives the orders to Gigantus. Now, have you got that?
Got it, Stutz.
Okay, Rhubarb, you and Muscle Mutt take off. Tomorrow, Puttypuss, Ding Dog, and I will plant the radio set on Gigantus. And remember, perfect timing is of the utmost importance.
Gotcha, Stutz.
Puttypuss, we better test Rhubarb's flying toupee radio set to be sure that it works.
Okay, how is this for a perfect sounding RJ?
Gigantus, pick up the coach. Good boy, Gigantus.
If I didn't know you any better, I would swear you are RJ. Let's just hope that Gigantus feels the same way.
So far, everything is working like clockwork.
Yeah, like a 20-joule Swiss movement.
Well, don't you guys pop your main springs. The mission isn't accomplished yet. Oh, hello, Mr. Rathmore. Nice morning, isn't it?
What are you three doing up so early?
Oh, we always get up this early, RJ.
Yeah, and raring to go.
Good. This would be an excellent time to practice your flying trapeze act.
Trapeze act? But really, RJ, we're so good, we don't need any practice.
Yeah, we don't want to overtrain. We might lose that razor-sharp perfection.
But, gentlemen, I insist.
Oh, well, if you put it that way, come on, gang, let's practice.
Since you gentlemen are such experts, you won't be needing these protective nets, will you? Remove the nets, men.
We're not that good.
We gotta get out of here, so make it look good. Get ready to catch Ding Dog, Putty Puss. Here he comes.
Help! Somebody get a net! Stop squirming, Ding Dog. You're slipping out of my hand. Who's squirming? I'm learning how to fly. But quit.
Oops. Don't worry, Ding Dog. I got you.
Who's worried? I always shake like a leaf when I'm having fun.
Great act, gentlemen, but I'm afraid you need more practice. Keep them up there for another half an hour.
Hey, look! RJ is leaving. Where is he going?
Quick, let's swing up to that hole in the top of the tent.
It's okay, sir. RJ is just taking Gigantus for a walk.
You dingy ding dog. They're headed for Tower Rock Gap and the Gold Train.
Gosh, Stutz, what are we gonna do?
Here, quick, release the set from up there.
Gotcha, Stutz.
Well, don't just sit there. What happened?
Ever see a gorilla with a pompadour hairdo?
Good. Now all we gotta do is hang around for another 20 minutes, and then we can head for Rhubarb's tunnel.
There's the Gold Train now, RJ.
Excellent. Right on time.
Everything's set, Stutz.
Okay, Ding Dog, you and Rhubarb unhook the gold coach. Go ahead, make the switch. Okay, take her away.
Now on to Tower Rock Gap and a fortune in gold. Go, Gigantus. Pick up the coach. Now, Gigantus, follow us.
The plan is working like a charm, Stutz.
Yeah, a gold charm.
Now to have a look at my fortune in gold. Banana?
Okay, Putty Puss, you're on the air.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for the Putty Puss Show. But first, a word from our sponsor.
Knock it off. We've only got time for the gorilla.
Sorry, Stutz.
Gigantus, close the door on the coach. Close the door on the coach, Gigantus. Now, Gigantus, pick up the coach.
What's going on here? Let me out of here!
Gigantus, take the coach and RJ to jail.
Gosh, Gigantus should get an award for this.
You mean reward?
Yeah, he should get both.
I agree.
Gigantus, help yourself to the bananas inside the coach.
trouble getting the gold to San Francisco now.
We made one blunder in this mission.
Yeah? What's that?
We should have kept some of those bananas. I'm hungry.
Well done, Houndcats. You're all to be congratulated.
It's the chief.
This banana will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
Wait.